guys, I am taking a macro of this small tiny flower or a plant. I'm using my D750 and Tamron 90 macro lens. I have composed my image and I'm using 1 by 250th of the second, 5.6 with ISO. It is auto ISO. I will photo stack it because I don't think I will get entire image and entire plant in focus. So I will first set my focus point up top, do auto focus and click an image, then move little down. I will take multiple focus. I will do this focus here, take a shot, then I will go little down, focus here, take a shot, come down, focus here, take a shot. So the main aim is to get this entire image in focus. So I have to click, I have to take images with different focus points and focus in different areas of this image, and then in post later I will actually merge all these. So I have taken like 5 to 6 images, and then I will move all these images in Photoshop and merge it, and I will show you how that process is done.
Hey, hello guys. So I have exported all my stacked images in Lightroom. So these are the 8 images that I took, and each image, if you see, has a different focus. So it is focusing on different parts of the plant. So more the images, more the stacked images, better the result would be. So I did with 8 to show you an example how to stack these images. So what you have to do in Lightroom, once you export your files, select all the files that you want to merge. So in this case I have 8 images, so I will select all the 8 images. Then I will go to photo, edit in, open as layers in Photoshop. So that's what I will do. I'm using Photoshop for merge, so I will do open as layers in Photoshop. You can also go here, select all the images, right click and say edit in, open as layers in Photoshop. You click on that, it will load Photoshop and it will start adding all those images as layers. Give a couple of minutes and it should be ready for editing. It all depends on how your machine is. If it is faster, if it has a good processor, it will load fast. Otherwise it might take little time. So in my case it is ready for us to edit. So what I will do is in the layer section, or this layer window, if you don't see that, go to Windows and enable layers. You will see that here. Once you see the layers, what you have to do is you can actually select all these layers. You can click on the first one and then press Shift button on your keyboard and scroll to the last and select that. So it will select all these images for you, all these layers for you. Now go to edit and do auto align. What it does is it will align all these layers based on the algorithm that Photoshop has. So you can actually select the projection as auto. No need to change any of these settings. Use the default one, it does a pretty good job. And then say OK, and within seconds it will actually align these layers. If you see, it has aligned the layers. You can see that it actually moved each layer, and there is a transparent area that shows that it has done something for the alignment. So now all these images are aligned. Now what you do is keep the selection, select all layers, and again go to edit. This time click on auto blend layers. Auto blend layers will open this window where you can actually select stack images. because we have stacked the images. There are 8 images that were stacked, so I will use the stacked images for the auto blending. And make sure you have selected seamless tones and colors and content aware fill, because that will make sure it will fill any transparent area with the background, whatever you see here in this image. And you can press OK. It will take again few seconds and it will try to blend it for you. Photoshop has amazing algorithm. It does a pretty good job. You don't have to do anything special. It will do it for you if you have taken these images with good focus points. Like if you have focused in different part of the image nicely, it will get the results pretty good. If you see, I got the image in focus now. So let me first remove this marching ant by pressing Command D in Mac, and that's gone. Now you can see the difference. Let me show you. Let me go to history, and yeah, let me see. Yep. So let's see this. You might see the difference now. This is how auto blend actually blended all the layers and picked up the most focused parts of the image and created this one image in this layer. So that's pretty much it. That's how you auto blend it and you get the image or entire image in focus. So you have to make sure the stacked images are in good shape, then only you will get a good result. That's it. If you guys have any questions, do let me know. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks. Bye.